How to create a Facebook Marketplace account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Head over to your Facebook application and get logged into your Facebook account. Now, in order to create a Facebook Marketplace account, tap on three bar icon on your right hand side. Now the question of how to create a Facebook Marketplace account. Your Facebook account is actually your Facebook Marketplace account. You will be able to see the Marketplace option under your menu page. In order to open it, tap onto it. If you tap onto it, you will see a person icon again. Tap onto it. And as you can see that, this is exactly the name of your Facebook. And now here you can buy and sell stuff. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Last but not the least, also note that your Facebook account is your Marketplace account. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. Do like and subscribe for more contents like this.